Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to pair a Garmin Fenix 3 and a Fenix 3 HR. So, first of all, just go ahead and go through all the steps because you will receive the watch like this. And then I'm just gonna go through it real quick. I'm not even gonna enter anything correctly. It's gonna find GPS, it found GPS. And go ahead on your phone, click add a Garmin. I have a different device. Go ahead and browse all capable device. So this will be an HR. You will have to select the right one, Fenix 3 HR. And on the watch, once you're at the main menu, you will go ahead and click the center left button. You will go ahead and hold the left center button and it will bring you to the settings menu. Go ahead and go into the settings by tapping the top right button. Scroll down using the left buttons, the left bottom button. Go into Bluetooth, click the right top button and pair your device with the right top button. Once it's going into pairing mode, go ahead and start. And device found. Go ahead and pair the device. You will be entering a code. Pair the device. It's connecting to the phone now. And if the Garmin will need an update, it'll start updating automatically. And that is how you pair a Garmin Fenix 3 and Fenix 3 HR. Thanks for watching, guys.